point in your life where you just want change. I've been talking about doing something to my hair for the last couple of videos. I wanted to do something drastic. I didn't know if I wanted to cut it. I didn't know if I wanted a different style. I've come to the conclusion that color is gonna make me feel spicy. It's gonna make me feel new and improved, and the goal is to always improve ourselves. So hold those reservations, guys. It's just hair. Oh no, I don't like it.
Simply Cheryl, simply Michelle. You're watching her on YouTube, and you know she got a vibe for me. She got a vibe for you.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Michelle. I know. You guys clicked on this video faster than you have ever clicked on a video. I am doing something drastic today. I've been talking about doing something different to my hair for the last couple of videos. Spice it up a little. We're gonna get right to it. We're not gonna drag it out. Your girl's coloring her hair today. The black gotta go. It's just not it. It's not giving it anymore. It's not giving spice, you know? So we're gonna do something about that. I know a lot of you guys are having reservations like, no, baby, it's a long time coming. My hair is in a slick back and it's literally molded with that got to be glow, so we can't work like that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shampoo, condition, give myself a good treatment, and then come back and then we are gonna get into this color party, okay? Do not go anywhere, okay? That's where you guys come in at, and I want you to comment down below. Don't cheat, don't look through the whole video. First like it, then comment down below what color you think I'm gonna dye my hair. Hair wash, conditioned. Before I even get to doing anything, let me just be completely transparent with you guys, because I wouldn't be me if I wasn't. Told a little white lie. I'm going to be coloring my hair today. It's only going to be temporary color. Not the box dye, not the stuff that's gonna leave your hair like straw. We are going to be doing some hair paint, okay? This right here. I got her off of Amazon. You guys been following me for a while. I did do the hair paint maybe like 6 years ago. I have a picture. If I find it, I'll insert it right here. The brand is called Mofa Jung or Mofa Hung. I don't want to butcher anybody's brand, but this is what it is. I got it off of Amazon. The girl's going with the color gray. Why gray, Shell? Why gray? Well, that's quite easy. Over the last year or two, I've been seeing a little salt and pepper popping in and out. Like they've been trying to sprout through, particularly at the top of the head. So I'm just trying to prepare myself for when the day comes and I'm like full-blown gray. And plus, why not step out the box? Why not be different? This is what it looks like. Very thick. Has a very masculine smell, almost like a man's deodorant. It's giving Axe. Very strong. Not to be ingested, okay? The hair paint waxes are supposed to be very safe for the hair. They don't contain any, harsh chemicals. They don't contain anything that's going to strip your hair, break your hair. It allows you to be versatile and play with your hair and be creative. So I also heard that it's super easy to wash out. Hair is completely washed, get a quick condition, but what I'm gonna do is we're gonna section the hair. Just like with the wash and go, you're gonna section the hair to make sure that everything's spread on evenly. Make sure, right now, definitely didn't detangle enough, but it's all right. We're gonna clip that side out the way. Are we pinned up? Are we good? Whatever, anytime I'm doing styling, y'all know we're gonna have to use a leave-in. I'm running out of leave-in, so I'm not too fond of this leave-in. Right here is what we have, so this is what we're gonna use. You need that barrier, okay? Because baby, I don't, this is gonna coat the hair. I'm basically just gonna add a leave-in. I don't know if I should put the gel on top or should I put the gel on after? No, I'm gonna put the gel on right now, but just a little bit, because I don't know, I just feel like my hair is not gonna be complete. I'm gonna do a wash and go with this. I thought about doing a braid out, but then that's gonna take too long. So I just wanna see how it's gonna look. Oh, I'm not trying to do this without detangling. I'm telling you, this is what I'm gonna use on top of the leave-in. Just a little bit. Maybe some more. I gotta take this towel off. It's slowing me up. Only I would want to color my hair without gloves. I also read that it gets a little messy. You know what they say, go hard or go home. Look how thick this is. It's real thick. Oh my God. I'm making a mess already. I can't even see. Yeah, what am I doing? What did I just do? I don't think I like it. I don't know. I need to get another mirror because I can't see with this little lens finder. This ain't cutting it. As I'm applying it, it's going on really smooth. I don't know if it's because of my leave-in and the gel mix, but it's literally smooth. We're gonna do ASMR. Ready? How satisfying is that? Okay. Should I shingle? Maybe let me see if I shingle, but this will take all day. And I don't have all day. When you shingle your hair, it's going to give you more definition. If you have like some spots that have a little heat damage and stuff like that, definitely recommend doing the shingling method. It is a tedious process, but you know, being beautiful takes time. Oh God, my camera battery's about to die. You guys are about to die already? I thought you were charged. You just take your hand and you just basically twirl your curl. That's all you're gonna do. You just twist your curl like that. Shingling, baby. Go ahead, baby. You're shingling, baby. Go ahead, baby. Love it. I love it. One thing that I'm noticing is that it dries really fast. So far, so good. It dried within 5 minutes, literally. I feel like this is gonna be such a bomb washing though. Oh my God. See if I can perfect this section too. I don't think you guys understand how fire this looks. Like, I feel like the camera is doing it no justice. Like, my curls look bomb. I think I would have loved if I did like a two-tone. The last time I played with these, I had 2 colors. It looks so dope. Like, so dope.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah.
All up in my scalp. We don't have to wipe that out. We want it to look natural. We don't want it to look, you know, a hot mess. You don't apply it right, it's gonna give, you don't know what you're doing. The shrinkage is ridiculous. Look how my hair shriveled up with this.
I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone, told me I'm...
You're done. It took me a good like 30 minutes. I have to fix some of this because I figured I was too close with it. So I'm gonna wipe some of the roots off so it just looks more, you know, natural. I don't even know how the back looks, to be honest with you, because I couldn't see the back of my head, so. Hair is almost dry. The only thing I don't like is that it's flat and shrinkage is in full activation. What I'm gonna do is, I could do one or two things. If you want to get that stretch and you don't like the shrinkage, I can take my hair and I can put it in a pineapple or like a bun like I usually show you guys. It's gonna stretch it. Or if you have a hooded dryer or like a blow dryer diffuser, you can definitely still put your hair in a ponytail. Or if you don't really like that method, take your hair and then just use it. And boom. We got a big old bun on top of my head right now. I missed some spots, but it's okay. So what I'm gonna do right now is, this is probably gonna take me a whole day. Unless I sit under my little hooded dryer. But we're gonna let it dry completely. You guys saw what it looked like when it was wet. I'll come back when it's fully dry, give you guys my finished review, my thoughts. Yeah, I'll show you guys the results. Guys, so this is the next day. It did take some time for my hair to dry, but she is dry and she is giving voluminous and she's giving, ooh, who is this? Okay, I actually really like the gray. For some reason it just gives, and I think that my top makes it pop too. All I did, like you guys saw yesterday, I put it up in a bun, let it air dry some, and then boom, here we are. I will say it is like maybe like 5% still a little damp like in my roots, but we're not worrying about any of that. All I did was take my pick and then I just, you know, went into the scalp and just lifted it up. I love when my hair looks big. But you guys let me know what you're thinking. I'm loving this hair paint wax. I keep saying hair paint wax. I think I'm gonna get some different colors. You guys let me know your thoughts, what you think, how you think. Is it giving like grandma? Is it giving sexy grandma? Is it still giving mamiana? I feel like it's giving bad mamiana. Like, you know, we just enhance the mamiana, okay? We just enhance the mom just a little bit. This is really good for people who are already going gray and you just wanna touch your hair up a little bit and you don't wanna put chemicals in it. I think it's really cute for kids as well, who want that little bit of color, splash of color with their braids, or you can do it with their little ponytails and stuff. Just add a little bit just to make them feel like, you know, they're doing something. But it's so easy to apply to your hair. I didn't have any issue. Very easy to wash it off my face as well, because I was worried about it like staining my skin and irritating my skin. No skin reactions, no burning, nothing like that, and it came right off. I'm probably gonna wear this for a few more days because I want to see how big my hair can actually get. Usually like day 2, day 3, my hair is like out here. It's giving lion, and I love that. So I'm excited because I'm about to head out and go to the stores. I want to see how many people actually look, or if they notice or they say anything. So that is pretty much it. If you guys are interested, you know I got you. I'm gonna link it in the description. I also have my Amazon storefront, so you guys can check out like all my favorites in my storefront as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it, child. It's giving exactly what I want. I feel like my itch has been like satisfied because I wanted to do something different with my hair, and for now I think I'm satisfied. This was so fun. And another thing you guys probably want to know is, does it transfer to your clothes? Honestly, right now I haven't seen anything. I think that it will transfer. You don't let your hair dry 100%, so make sure that your hair is dry before you know, put something on. Or the only thing that I see is that the brown spots, they're still like showing a little bit because it's lighter, but I think it looks fire. I think it makes it look different. It pops. But yeah, I also want to mention the musky like deodorant smell. It definitely like disappears. So comment down below another color that I should try, or if you want me to pair 2 colors together, what colors you think will look dope. Let me know what colors you guys choose if you decide to purchase. Again, I'll make sure to link everything down below so you can try it. Hope that you guys try it out, because stay away from them box sides. We're not doing anything that's going to hurt or harm these tresses. Get you some earwax. Full of the day, because it's temporary and you can switch up and be whoever you want to be throughout the week. Okay, so I'm gonna close this video out right here. If you guys enjoyed, if you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts, and I'll catch you in my next upload.
Simply myself.